Mangyaring maabisuhan na ang Government Service Insurance System o GSIS ay magsasagawa ng SAP system maintenance. At narito po ang kabuuang ulat ukol dito. Magandang araw po mga kaguro. Mangyaring maabisuhan na ang Government Service Insurance System o GSIS ay magsasagawa ng SAP system maintenance. At narito po ang kabuuang ulat ukol dito. Please be advised that the Government Service Insurance System o GSIS will carry out SAP system maintenance activity has been rescheduled and will commence on April 29, 2022 at 8 o'clock p.m. up to April 30, 2022 at 4 o'clock a.m. In line with the maintenance activities, the following systems will not be available on the said date and time. Applications affected are 1. GWAP's AAO website, kiosk. 2. Humid enrollment. 3. GSIS Touch. 4. GSIS Mo. 5. Web MSP. 6. Web SAP. 7. GIIS. Normal operations of the above systems will resume on April 30, 2022 at 8 o'clock a.m. Please be guided accordingly. Maraming salamat. At kung ikaw ay interesado ng mga bidyong tulad nito, mangyaring suportahan ang channel na ito sa pamamagitan ng pagpindot ng like, pag-share ng mga video at kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, please subscribe sa channel na ito at pindutin ang notification bell at piliin ang all upang maabisuhan ka para sa mga paparating pang mga videos.